Good morning and welcome to Sun Up and Slimming Down. Let me ask you something. Are you actually hungry right now, or is it just time to eat? Here's the truth. Sometimes the biggest challenge in healthy living isn't what we eat, it's why we eat. For many of us, both are true. Before we begin, I want to encourage you in your own health journey. I'm proud of your determination and your will to improve. Today we're talking about a game-changing concept, hunger versus habit. I believe if you can learn to tell the difference, you can take back control of your health. Today's conversation really hits home for me. I have lived a life of emotional and habitual eating. And for that reason, this is important for me, and it's been my biggest challenge, so I encourage you in your journey. Let's jump right in. Point number 1, physical hunger versus emotional eating. Real physical hunger is your body asking for fuel. It builds gradually. It's not picky and it doesn't demand junk food. But emotional or habitual eating, that's different. That shows up as stress eating, boredom eating. It's lunchtime, so we eat, or I deserve this reasoning. And usually it's product-specific cravings, not real need. Point number 2 is recognizing your cues. Here's where awareness changes everything. Start by asking yourself one simple question. What triggered this? Was it the clock? Was it a commercial? Was it stress from work, or am I just bored? Most of us have patterns. We just don't notice them. But once you see the pattern, you can start to break it. And that brings us to point number 3. Slow down your eating. Another powerful shift is just slowing down. We live in a fast-paced world and we eat like we're in a race. But your body needs time to signal fullness to the brain. When you slow down, you enjoy your food more. You eat less and you actually recognize when you're satisfied. Here's a couple of simple habits with big results. So try this practical tip to slow down. Between bites, practice laying your fork down while chewing. So many of us are loading up our second bite on the fork while we're still chewing the very first bite that we took. Point number 4, learn to pause. This might be the most important step. Before you grab food, pause. Not forever, just for a moment. This creates space between the urge and the action. Ask yourself, am I hungry or just reacting? That pause gives you power. So here's your challenge for today. Before you eat anything, pause for 10, 15, 20 seconds. Ask yourself, am I physically hungry? If not, address the real need instead. Was it stress? Was it boredom? Was it fatigue? Lasting change doesn't start with the diet. It starts with an awareness of the problem. Hey, if this morning has helped you, like, subscribe, and share this with someone on their own health journey. And remember, you don't need more willpower. You need awareness mixed with discipline. I'm glad you're joining us on this journey. Until next time, stay motivated, stay strong, stay intentional. Take care.